Welcome to Engineering Practical Lab. So this time around, we want to look at the classification of electronic components. You have a lot of electronic components, and all those components are divided into different classes. So we have active component, passive component, electromechanical component, and some others. So let's take it one after the other. Active component. When we say active component, these are the components that require external source of electrical power for them to operate. So they require source of energy, electrical energy before they can perform their function. So, and what are those functions they perform? One, they control flow of current. They amplify signal. They can be used as a switching circuit. Also, they generate electrical signal and provide power gain in a circuit. So those are the functions that active components perform. So, and they cannot perform this operation without having electrical energy source. Example are the diode, transistor, IC, and thyristor. Those are active components. Active components are diode, transistor, thyristor, and IC. Let's look at the second one, which is a passive component. Passive component. So passive components are the components that does not require external power source to perform their basic function. They do not require electrical energy before they can perform their function. And what do they do? They store electrical energy, they dissipate, that is, they transfer electrical energy from one point to another. Example are resistor, capacitor, inductor, and transformer. Transformer did not work on the signal, on any signal. They just transfer from one point to another. Likewise, resistor and capacitor. So they transfer energy from one point to another. They do not amplify. They do not generate. Those are the passive components. They are resistor, capacitor, inductor, and transformer. They are passive components. Let's look at the third one, electromechanical components. These are combined. They combine electrical and mechanical operations together. They perform electrical operation and mechanical operation. They convert electrical energy to mechanical energy, or sometimes mechanical energy into electrical energy. They do conversion of those two energy, mechanical energy and electrical energy. So what do they do? What is their function? They have moving parts, whereby they change their moving part is what generate electrical energy, and they operate electrically. Example is relay. Example of electromechanical components are relay, switch, solenoid, and electrical motors. Those are electromechanical components. They are relay and switches because they convert electrical energy to mechanical energy, and some of them convert electrical energy into mechanical energy. Then we have some other electrical components, electronic components, that perform special functions. They are not categorized into either active, passive, or electromechanical. They have special functions. Those other components convert physical quantity into electrical signal. Example are sensors. So and some other display like OLED and LCD, liquid crystal display. Likewise, oscillator, fuse, batteries. All those ones, they are other components because they convert physical quantity into what? Into electrical quantity, electrical signal. They convert physical quantity into electrical signal, like a sensor, and our display like OLED and LCD. Likewise, the oscillators, fuses, all those ones, they are other components. Let's look at most of these components. One, we have, this is relay. This is a relay that has automatic switch. It switch electrical signal either on or off automatically. That's a relay. Then let's look at this. This is a trainer that combine different electronic components. So look at this. You have different electronic components. So look at diode here. We have diode, different type of diode. Then we have sensors here. We have positive temperature coefficient. negative temperature coefficient, light dependable resistor, and pH chemical sensors that look at acidity of a. They will use this one in site for any medical lines or medical practitioner. They might use this one to look at, and also it can be applicable into water treatment to know the acidity of water. So we have different sensors here. Then we have resistors. These are resistors, and these are transistor. We have NPN, PNP, MOSFET, JFET. They are transistor. These are transistor. We have thyristor as well. Thyristor. Both thyristor and transistor, those sometimes they look alike, but we have videos that explain difference between two of them in our videos. We have it in our videos. Check our videos. You will see we explain difference between two of them. Capacitors, we have it here. These are different type of capacitors. So then we have inductors. All these ones, they are not inductors. These are resistors. To save, the inductor is inside this trainer. And in our previous video, we have been able to show us different type of inductors. Their diagram. So this is just their diagram. How do they look like? We'll be able to show it. So we have LED here as well. These are electronic components. So in our next video, we'll take it one by one and explain it. Thank you so much.